today I am going to give you guys a little update. If y'all remember, about 2 weeks ago, I did I think it was 2 weeks on the day to the day. I started an inside garden, and I'm doing cherry trees, apple trees, um, tomatoes, and aloe. And the the thing is, like I said, it's an in-house garden. It is probably smack dead in the middle of winter. And y'all might say, Crystal, that's not wise. That is not true. So with the cherry and the apple trees, and also with the tomatoes, they suggest that if you can, that you plant them in the middle of January, actually. And then after, I guess, the last frost, you put them outside. So I started them in the house. And this is actually my first time doing this. And I was thinking, I don't know what I was going to come back to give you guys an update, but I did want to give you guys an update. So let's check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, look what we have here. I'm so super stoked right now. So this red cup here that you're looking at with all these sprouts in it are actually the tomatoes. The ones, if y'all watch my previous video, maybe 2 videos ago, I don't know, they smell amazing. And that's what the little babies are doing. So one thing that this kit had suggested was that you cover it with some saran wrap till it germinated. And then I seen them peeking through like Monday, and I took it off. So what I decided to do was, these are my cherries here. I decided I'm going to move the saran wrap over here to the cherries and see if I could get it to do the same. Because none of my cherries, which are all the round pots, has done anything. And I know you're going to say, Crystal, your soil is dry. Yes, today is why you're getting an update, because it's actually watering day. So back here, if y'all could tell, it's some peeking through going on. Those are actually the apple seeds that I planted. And even in this one, all of those are the apples that are busting through. And it looks like even here, see the little dirt kicked up a little bit? So those are going to be busted through. But none of my cherries, which are the round ones here, seem to have done anything. So I'm going to wet them down today and maybe cover them with saran wrap. Maybe they need more time to germinate, as they like to say. Yeah, see, there's nothing going on there. But the apples are actually doing well. And the interesting thing about these, ladies and gentlemen, is I actually did this with the seeds from an apple. The same thing with the cherries. See this one? Look at that. Hasn't peeked through yet. This is my little gardening area in my inside of my house. If you want to ask, this is aloe, and I haven't took the lid off. It looks very much still moist, so I might not be giving it as much sunlight as it needs. This is the other pot of cherry, and this is my little light contraption, which I think I did an unboxing and a setup. This thing is actually awesome. I don't think I still have the box around to tell y'all what brand it is. But when I set the time for it, it's off right now. If y'all can see. It's off right now. But as you see, this is how the sun peeks through. I'm guessing that the sun goes down around 4-ish, between 4 and 5. So I got the little light thing set to come on at 5. And once I set the time on it, it comes on and goes off by itself. So I have not had to adjust the time at all. And as you see, we're making progress. It's beautiful. I'm so excited. I don't know. I probably won't be actually moving them permanently outside. Because I don't really have a yard. So what my plan to do is I have bigger pots. So my plan is going to be to move them to larger pots once the last frost comes, versus actually putting them outside. And since this beautiful light is working so well, I might actually order another one, because I know with bigger pots you're going to need more sunlight. Actually, probably not, because I could put them outside on the deck. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update on how this is working. So if you're trying to garden in your house, and again, I'm by no means a gardener. I just wanted to try something new. I love the feel of gardening. It's very stress relieving. So I'm really doing this for fun, partially. And secondly, I'm praying that my cherry tree actually starts, because if you are a cherry lover, you know how expensive they can be. And somebody said to me, listen, by the time you keep buying these cherries, you could have grown your own tree. They should not have gave this girl that idea. So I said all that to say today I will be watering them. Y'all are seeing my progress. This is 2 weeks in. I have tomatoes really doing really well. 2 apples have completely bust through. Let's look at them one more time. So again, the tomatoes are doing really well. Let me smell them. See. No, they don't smell as sweet as they did before, but I'm assuming they're going to be really good. And that is an apple. These here, as you see, are 2 apples busting through there. So I don't know. I'm in this one. So the apples are just really showing out. So I guess I really did germ make them really well. And again, I am going to really work on this. Now with this aloe here, they did say, look, it would almost take 2 months to see any progress. But again, with these cherries, I am going to try to switch the way I'm doing it. By today, I'm going to water them, and then I'm going to put saran wrap to see if I could get them to do like the tomatoes. And everything else I'm going to leave the same. So thank you guys. This is my little update. Oh, the light is not doing right. Okay. So thank you guys. This is the update on my little in-house garden. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks for spending time with me. And I look forward for your thumbs up and your comments down below. Peace. Also subscribe. Remember, this is the channel. We don't have a schedule of posting. So if you want to know any updates on when we're going to post, please hit that bell and drop your comments down below. How many people have tried this? Do y'all have any suggestions for me on this project? Or anything else y'all feel like I should share? So far, my goal is to only water them once a week because you don't want to overwater. And like the tomatoes are pretty damp, so I might not even water them today. I might just spritz it, if anything. But anyway, yeah, I could babble a little bit after.